The not registered on network error on your Rogers wireless device means your SIM card can't connect to the Rogers network, preventing calls, texts, and data. The fastest way to fix this is by restarting your phone. Press and hold the power button, select Restart, and wait for the device to reboot. If restarting doesn't work, check your APN settings. Incorrect APN settings cause around 40% of these issues. Navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Access Point Names. Rogers provides a network diagnostic tool app that uses AI to automatically detect and fix these problems. It's available for iOS and Android devices and is one of the simplest immediate solutions. Finally, make sure to keep carrier settings updated by going to your phone's settings and updating to the latest version. If the basic fixes don't work, the problem might be with your SIM card. Try removing and reinserting it. If that fails, Rogers recommends getting a SIM swap, especially if you're using an older SIM. For eSIM users, Rogers app allows eSIM reprovisioning, a digital solution that's becoming increasingly common. Outdated carrier settings can also cause problems, particularly on 5G devices. Update these settings via your device's settings menu while connected to Wi-Fi. Looking ahead, Rogers is integrating blockchain-based SIM authentication for enhanced security and plans to automate fixes with over-the-air updates. Experts predict that manual intervention will significantly decrease by 2030 as AI tools improve network management. By 2028, Rogers plans to integrate blockchain-based SIM authentication for enhanced security and error resistance.